Oh my gosh.
Right. Show me this also. Show me the triangle one.
I'm so bad. I just want to be called.
Isn't that better than a sheet up here?
Yeah.
They're 62.
Come on.
Terrible theme music. Oh my. I'm doing something like that. How am I doing that?
Terrible.
I'm just barely doing it. And I'm already done with mine. I've already solved 3 cubes. Okay. Most of the time you get the T-term on the 2x2. It's really weird. It's really weird.
Yeah, T-perms are obviously more often
on the 2x2.
Yeah, duh.
And this is a Y term I get, yes. I like to use
You can only get 2 PLLs.
I know, you can only get 2 different PLLs. The Y term and the T term, that's it. Oh, this 2x2 is already solved, but the layer is out.
This one's scratched.
I know, that's not mine. This one's mine. I'll do the...
Right, guys, let's aim for under 2 minutes,
That one's
right?
the same cube as what I made. Weird sticker one.
Okay,
I'm not...
alright, we're waiting. Oh, you're doing one hand. Are you participating?
Oh, my hands are pretty small. I like to...
Oh, he's so fine. Oh my god.
Mine is smaller than yours. Okay, let's see. Guys, tell us when everybody's done.
Guys, we only have...
No. You
We're
missed.
almost done. We're almost done. Get it quickly. It's done. Done.
Good, 2 on 2.
2 on 2.
Awesome, guys.
Let's do it.
Start the timer.
Yeah, I did.
You gotta do it in 10 minutes.
Oh, 10 minutes? Oh, wow. This is one algorithm. I'm doing the mini 2x3. I'm doing mini 3x3. Mini 3x3 is over. We're already done with that one? Okay.
I can do 2x2.
I know, 2x2 is like the easiest. Well, that's not really true. 3x3 is. No. 3x2.
No, I figured out.
So,
I figured out my own way to solve the 2x2. I need a 2x2. I want a 2x2, but all the 2x2s are gone.
I'm only doing 3x2.
Never get anything up to
Oh, 1 minute already. That's it, and I'm almost done.
Oh, this is a lot faster. Oh, yes, I got it.
Only one? Oh. I'm really bad at 3x3, but...
I should have counted myself. Guys, I'm actually sure. Was that it?
No, I think there's one. Guys, tell us everybody.
Put one hand on it for now. Just one.
Wait, hey guys, 2 minutes already. Done. Almost done solving it? I'm almost done. Yeah. Guys, stop! Stop! Barely stop.